President of the Voice of the People Party, VPP, who was recently elected as member of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly from Nongkrem Constituency, Ardent M Basaiawmoit, was once again felicitated today, the 14th of March 2023, by the Dorbar Shnong Smit in East Khasi Hills. Besides members of the Dorbar Shnong, others present during the occasion included party members, supporters and local residents of the area. In his address to the gathering, Ardent Basaiawmoit said that he was prompted to form a new political party after having experienced a lot of challenges during the past few years while trying to find a way to annihilate corruptive activities of the former NPP-led MDA government.
Kumlay bro.
Hoy 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 hoy. Hoy 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 hoy. Hoy. Lahun kisem layak keyboard Aporiba ijongi Sensya kadar kalahir arsut Kemdon kibayoi Jingkelangi kwa kuparari Kahok padai jonga jongpi Ian kiban yaga dustur batriti Kiban wan radaitam Seng VPP Hoi 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 Hoi
Ha katugas ni kabangilayo result kadika laitrik kajong u rempang ha kaba kaladon kajing yambriu kajing snusik tang om tang na kalyang kinong krisyan kim e kajunga mereka judgment riu kala yam ktang bat slusi ktang mereka ai kapangala keren na katugas ni ngong nam tip ke ai ka jingthmu ka bau blei udon habau sha enga bangan rem yamenta ngampat smuthu mereka gawai ka banga tip shai kalo bahalendat jong ulo ubadom kadon kasni ka bapernai kai kata kasni ka bapernai ka Voice of the People Party, ka VPP, ka day, ka sngi, ka pernai, nagamta, ka judgment riu, banam tagari, ka ba ka jungi. Day hadin, bangla syarem, bana ka jingya linti, haga jingya slok, haga jingya perkat, nilala ban sendur, bat ban shim ya karai rangba, longkat bolong, jakat baja, omdan syuk da kawai kalat, Omdon syuk da gawai galenti laj satang bangin seng ya kaseng ka batmai ngiru ngimdai kibri ki basyukwa seng parti tmai lakin shot yang ala bunsin bangadai ban seng no ya ka parti ka batmai rei man la ka kap ngala kentaj namar ngam snodai ban seng no ya ka parti ka batmai dei namar kata kata ngala pinyeso bat ka seng UDP Bara bangami nagade ka sengru ngam kwa ngalipin so sebat ka HSPDP. Rehadin bangalami naga HSPDP. Kamdon syu dagawai galap, kamdon syu dagawai galinti. Laj satang bangin seng ya gani ka party ka batmai.
While speaking about the recent formation of the new government, Basaiawmoit said that the only obstacle for the regional parties to form the government is the betrayal of a few who had clandestinely supported the NPP in forming the MDA 2.0. He added that it was only the VPP that stood apart from the rest by vowing to stand with the people of the state against the rule of the National People's Party.
Hapo Kashmir, Jammu Kashmir, Sansnam Menshua, kalau simpor haduk lai benai, beniat tai kumno bantau sorka. Mre hangi tang apsau kentarum dan lai rak tilut dari stang ke VPP ke bayang rangba, bangin yeng bau pat ba halor ki Nongkrem ke bas scam. Ngelaong yang namla beniat tray rengkat ba ke seng NPP. Namar shibun ki AKA ki rukom tray bamhok. Bambiang jong mereka parti. Ngidan kamban kli ya shibun ki kambam sap. Ngidan kamban le shibun ki jing penbek. Penrei namar kajing set kela jong kita kiwei pat ki seng rulum. Ngiladuk banyo ya ke sorkar balelam da ke seng rulum.